Good day everyone, my name is Arbilionel Labitat. I am the graphic designer for Background and another assets.
Everyone, my name is Kevin Birulfo. I am a designer from Flip Emoji.
Good day everyone, I'm Daniel Monteroso and I am programmer of Emoji Flip Match Game. So bago tayo magsimula, discuss ko po muna sa inyo kung ano po ang ginawa ko pong challenge. So ang ginawa ko pong challenge is 5 pairs in 20 seconds. And next is 8 pairs of card in 50 seconds. Ang panghuli po is 13 pairs of cards in 100 seconds. So let's start. So kailangan po natin makapag 5 pairs. Play. The time is running. Kailangan po natin maka 5 pairs. Hindi ko pa po muna siya in-apple kasi po example lang po muna. Next is 8 pairs of cards. In 50 seconds. In 100 seconds. 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 13. So that's all. Thank you.